Okay students, this is our phonic reader and today we are going to read the phonic reader with the help of phonics. In this phonic reader we are going to read 3-letter words along with the sight words. Okay, let's start reading. It is a fat dog. It is a fat dog. It is a hot pan. It is a hot pan. A bag in a cot. A bag in a cot. There's a sight word, so we will read it as it is. The fan with a rod. The fan with a rod. A man sat on a log. A man sat on a log. The hot pan in the van. The hot pan in the van. My bat is on the log. My bat is on the log. My hat is in the cot. My hat is in the cot. Okay students, after reading this page, now your assignment is this, that you have to read it once again in order to enhance your reading skills. Thank you.